Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome. I'm super excited for us to get started today. Our learning targets that we're going to look at we're going to describe and compare our measurable attributes. So we're going to look at different objects and we're going to look at different things within that object. And then once we do that, we will see if there is more of or less than within those objects. And we will divide them into categories. So one of the first things I want to do is our daily check-in. I see that some of our friends have come over here and they've checked in. So awesome. One of the first things that we can look at if we are comparing is our daily check-in. Actually, if we look at our daily check-in, if we look at this side compared to this side, which has more of and which side has less of. In the middle right here, we've got 2. And then over here, we have 2. So we've got 2 over here. We've got 2 over here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 over here. So which side out of all of our sides would be more? Correct. Our 6 is our greater number. And which side would be less? Yes, correct. Our 2 is our greater number. So even if we take this 2 and we add it over here to make 4, which side would be our greater side, which would have more of? Yes, our 6 would be more of. Awesome. What we're going to look at next is our leaves, our similarities and our differences within our leaves. If we look at these and we kind of look at our leaves, what can we notice about them? Let's say I take a look at this leaf compared to this leaf. What are some differences that I can see in between these two leaves? If I look at this one, I have how many leaves? So here's our stem. Yes, we've got 1 leaf coming from that stem. And over here, we've got the stem and we have, yes, awesome, multiple leaves coming off of that. So our similarities and our differences is these both come from a tree or a plant. Yes, that is very similar. Awesome job. And our differences is the amount of leaves growing off of it. What's something else that we can notice differences and similarities within all of these? Awesome. Yeah, we can look at something like a maple leaf and see that it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points. This one over here has 1, 2, and 3. And you can come over here and you can look at this leaf over here and it's got 1 point. But then you come and you look at a leaf like this and 1, 2, 3, 4, blah, 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 so many we lose count almost, right? So some of the differences would be definitely that. If we look at a leaf and we see this page right here, what's something that we can say they're similar in? Yes, most of them are green. Yeah, they all are green at one point, even this one right here. Yes, that is an awesome similarity. I like that you found that similarity. So if we move on to our next board, what colors do you see more of? Do you see more white or do you see more tannish brown? Awesome, yeah. There's definitely in this picture more of the tannish brown. We've got 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 white ones, and we have a whole bunch more browns. So very good. I'd love for you guys at some point to come back over here and just kind of maybe count the browns and how many you have. So if we move on to this, what do we spot as the difference between these 2 eggs? Yes, that is my face in the egg. Yes, this egg definitely has a shell, and this egg does not have a shell. So if we take a moment and we look around our room, I want you guys to spot similarities and differences as well.